Hey, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne. We were at Walmart today and we picked up this little radio control dune buggy here. Pretty nice looking little setup. It says Soul Desert 2. Here it is. This is a remote control, uses 2 AA batteries. The back side of the box right there. Looks rather interesting. I think we'll open it up, see how we can do. Here we got a charger. Looks like a USB charger for your car and computer. There's a screwdriver came with it. Here's your instruction manual. Tells you how to use it. Says here, charge approximately 30 minutes. The truck operates approximately 13 to 15 minutes on a full charge. Red light indicator turns on when the battery is fully charged. Alright. There's the underside of the car, right there. There's your radio control. You drive forward, back, right there. Drive it right here. Alright, let's put the batteries in it. Get the little screwdriver out that came with it here. There, whoops. Okay. I have a little trouble hanging onto the screwdriver. There we go. 2 AA batteries. Put this back on. Screw it down. Go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Turn on our transmitter. See the red light there? See if there's any power in this. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. There's a reverse too, look at that. Uh-oh, fell off. Let's see what we can do here. Fell off again. Okay, well I think we'll get down on the floor with it here in a little while. Take it outside and see how it goes. Notice you got a high and a low speed on here. Wonder what this little thing will do. Let's see. Turn on your remote control right there. See the red light on the bottom? There's an on-off switch right there. Turn it on. See the lights are on? Oh yeah. Whoops, knocked the box off the floor, didn't I? Wonder what happens if we put this on high. Whoa! Well, it fell off. We'll have to go get it. Alright, we're back. It's on high. Let's see what it does here. Well, it's a little fast for this table, isn't it? Put it back on low here. See your switch right there? Low. And I can't keep it on the table. Let's take it outside and see what it does out there, okay? Okay, we're outside now on the driveway. Runs pretty good out here, doesn't it? Now this is on low. I haven't put it on high out here, so You better get used to it being on low because it's pretty fast there. Once you get the hang of it, move it over to high, see what it does. If you're having a little trouble with it driving straight, there is an adjustment here. Right here, it says right and left. If you're going to the right too much, move it to the left. If you're going to the left too much, move it to the right. That'll straighten it out for you. Okay, we will see you next time.